This is my mini fire alarm collection so far. Right here, I got my ADAMCO 529 pole, 2 wires. Let's see, there's the sticker, button. There's a button. And yeah, I cleaned it up a little because it was used and it was poorly stored. It was like there's dust in it. Right here I got my Simplex coated pole. Yeah, my Simplex coated pole. I'm gonna pull that. Alright, sorry about the delay. There it is. This is also used as vintage. It wasn't much to clean. There's the you can watch from it. Now if you've seen the White Servo Alarms video, he had one. It was actually the Edwards. I hope you know about the Edwards 270 SPO. He had that same one, but it was also coated like this guy right here. And it fell off the wall. And it broke. Now, you might want to watch his video. Subscribe him. Shut up already. I also got this is my last alarm. This thing right here. I have no idea what it is. There's the inside. Inside, I unscrewed that. Oh, here's the screw. Now, here's this. Here's the strobe. There's the strobe. Strobe light. There is the strobe cover. There is the horns right there, I think. There's that. Inside, circuit board. Put that back on. I'll screw it in later. After the video, I'll screw it in. And here's the bell. Here's back. There's these things. Those are wires, I think. And yeah. So that is my mini fire alarm system. My mini fire alarm system. Well, not system. My mini fire alarm collection. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Well, don't actually. It's up to you. Thank you. Comment and subscribe if you wish. Thank you.